Oh boy. Boone's on lizard patrol. No, Boone, you're like, you shouldn't be doing that in the rosemary, okay? It's just like, come on. Why don't you go for a swim instead, bud? Let's go. Come on. Oh, and away he goes. You're pooped. You're booned out. You going in? It's a good girl. Come on, Boone. Boone, leave the lizards. They need a break. Come on. Oh, that's it. Are you booned out? Wait and see what happens. Come on, you guys should go swimming. All right. Oh, what's he doing? Come on, bud. Okay. He's back to lizard land. Yes, Boone, please keep us safe from the lizards. Okay. Oh, there's none there. None there. Keep checking. Why don't you go for a swim, buddy? Actually, it's not that hot right now, which is kind of nice. Where'd Maddie go? Oh, away he goes. Maddie, come on. And go for a swim? You've had a busy day. All right. Are you done with being the hostess with the mostest? You're mostessly out? All right. Bye, Boone. Putting my pajamas on. I'm going to bed.